Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris, from New York, Westchester County. It's January 4th, 2020. Hope everybody had a good New Year's, whatever that may mean. Anyway, a couple things I wanted to point out to you. The closest visible star to us that we can see with the human eye, okay, without binoculars, without a P900 or 1000, is a V762, I believe. If I'm wrong, who cares? In the constellation Cassiopeia. Okay, now we all know this is all bullshit because they're not stars up there. But if they really were, okay, and they come up with all these numbers, this star is exactly 16,000 light years away from us, give or take. So, you know, amongst friends, a couple 100,000 light years, who cares? You know, it doesn't make a difference. So let's just maybe round off the number. We'll just say, I think it's like 16.2. So we'll just round off the number, because lower than 0.5, and just say it's 16,000 light years away. Okay, now this star, if it was really a star, is, anyway, it's 2,300 times the size of our star. But yet it looks like a little pinhole up in the sky, just like every star does. This little light, I mean, you understand what I'm saying? That this beam of light that's looking at you, that doesn't widen at all, like, you know, a laser pointer does. Completely takes up. It can't even go more than 20 feet, or maybe a couple hundred feet, and the whole thing widens over the horizon. But no, it's this little pinpoint. It's this little. All of them are. Every single one of them. So here we go. We're looking at our sun now. That's supposedly 93 million miles away. And to block the sun, all you have to have is a couple of clouds. That's all. Couple of clouds. Such a powerful nuclear fusion machine spinning about with all of this power, all of this energy, all of this. And all you need are a few clouds to obscure the sun. That's all you need. But yet I could see something that's 16,000 light year away. I don't even want to tell you what the numbers are on that. Just figure it out on your calculator. I don't even think your phones will be able to figure it out. I think the number is so large, they make up all of this shit. But I just look at it. Think about it. Just think about the nonsense these scientists put out. Because they shouldn't be called scientists. I mean, I'm trying to look for a word for them that would be the best way to describe them is speculationists, maybe. I don't know what degree. How could you get a degree in something that is nothing but speculation and bullshit when none of it's been proven? None of it's been proven at all whatsoever. But yet everybody believes that sun is 93 million miles away, and a couple of clouds on the horizon, you know, could just obscure the vision of everybody. You know, and not only that, and it also, amazingly enough, the clouds can go, I mean, the sun, supposedly, which I've seen before in my very eyes on every time the sun comes closer to us and goes away from us, the sun manages to get underneath the clouds. You know, and then people say, what does that mean, Chris? What does that mean? Well, you know what that means? That it's not a star. Okay? This is a projection. I don't want to say it's a... Well, whatever. Okay? So everything that you've learned in school and everything that they have taught you as a flat earther, you should be insulted that they've been able to get away with this nonsense, this garbage. this bullshit for as long as they have, when there's so many people that are here that just need to wake up. So many people need to wake the fuck up to the reality of what's being taught. And it's just incredible that people haven't seen it yet. But we're now in the year of 2020, which closes 2019, which probably wasn't good for a lot of people, from what I heard, and it was not the best year for me either. But this year is going to be different. I thank you for subbing. I thank you for viewing my videos and let me be a part of your life.